How to pay CRA on RBC online banking. Now, if you're going to be using the RBC online banking via the application on your mobile device, the process is going to be the same thing if you're also using your laptop or PC. So first things first, all you have to do is just to log into your RBC online banking using your username and as well as your password. Now navigate through the bills and payments, then right there just simply tap pay bills and transfer funds. Now add the payee, which is going to be the CRA, and search for the CRA Canada Revenue Agency, and then right there choose the correct CRA payee. Now input any information or details where you will be sending the fund to or will be paying the fund to, like the social security number of the tax that you would paying, and then enter your account number, confirm and pay the confirmation of your payment. You will also receive a receipt of the transaction that you did via the email address that is associated with your RBC account. And that's it. That's how you pay CRA on RBC online banking.